Hello, everybody. This is Caleb, and this is another attempt to install PHP from source. Remember what happened the other day? I make another draft, and hopefully this time works. Okay, Nextcloud, and you know this from the previous video. And look at this contents. Contents, yeah. Upgrading your system. I already did this when creating the virtual machine on, on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, and now we are taking from there. We're going to install Apache server. Where is this thing? Okay. You see, I upgrade the system and restart the system. Well, exit the system. The testing is stopped, which is probably a bad idea. I should start will have started the virtual machine prior to recording to save you some. I mean, oh, it's running. All right, let's connect. And it's probably since this thing is, we just received uh, the notification over here. Probably the connection will be refused. Don't worry. It will take a minute, I suppose. Remember, yes, if you have some Apple communicating with web portals, sometimes these things uh, gets updated and things are still spinning. Let's try again. I suppose it will take a minute. Yeah, because we are using, yeah, we are using the IP. Now let's clear this. Um, all right, let's again. I am selling this as a copy paste stuff. If you want to read. If you don't, I just grab your thing and copy. It will be sold as a PDF. Uh, let's let's see how this thing will go. Uh, we use this hyphen y to say yes and to save ourselves from the prompt. Uh, it's installing. Okay, probably I will edit the video so this part is faster. But that won't portray, will not portray the real thing that you will get from compute instance. So instead, I'm going to be talking to you while this thing gets done. So, right, look at this. Some modules are being installed, enabled, and some other configurations are being enabled, and some libraries. Some people are asking which programming language should I learn to have a job. I see a lot of C++ all over the place, so I suppose that's a safe bet. Unfortunately for me, I can't concentrate on it. But I suppose I am good in Java. All right, let's. I want to type this, but paste. Look at this. And the thing is running. So yeah, I'm going to stop, which is not part of the tutorial. We are going to exercise this document again when it's completed. I'm going to stop this thing. So we got Apache installed. Now you okay, I shouldn't have stopped this. Should have not stopped the thing. Where is this private window? Yeah, I'm going to start Apache again. What is okay? What is our thing? We're going to copy paste this IP, public IP from the instance. Hopefully, IP, and then paste the IP, and it should refuse the connection. And you might want to your instance to be reachable from the outside world. Copy. Okay. I'm going to clear this and paste. We have something wrong over here. This is undesirable, I suppose. Minus J to the whole line. Yeah, let's hit enter and see what happens. Okay, so this thing is wrong because somehow this I will reduce uh, the font so it is on the same line. This is good. I will bring this accept over here. I'm not sure why it was new line enter accept. All right. So I will reduce uh, this thing. I don't know how many videos I will be uploading about this. Okay, executing. All right. Probably should say something here about don't mind the output unless it says error. Since it doesn't say error, okay. Now we're gonna here again. Where is our IP? Here it is. And again, paste the IP. And again, it's refused. Why? Because the Apache is stopped. So I'm using the root to move myself within through the commands. Okay, now once again, and something's wrong. Continue to the side. It was something related to the HTTPS. I suppose we are using HTTP. You can configure the port. Where is it? Yeah, HTTPS, but we are not using that. This is not for production. Clarify that. Oh, what else? Okay, let's continue. So I am going to reduce this with Notice. It works. Installing PHP, you can visit the official website. You can go to the source code repository. But in here, we are going to just copy paste this. Hopefully, this time it works. Control C. Let's clear over here. And let's paste this thing. This is going again. This thing, I'm not sure why. Read to see. I'm going to use this inverted slash and One solution would be to use an inverted slash like this. And another solution, I can sell you, I cannot sell you a product. Hey, now do this. Come on. What kind of user experience is that? I want you to sell something that you copy paste, and eventually in the future, a script that do everything for you. You execute the script and uh, get everything done for you. Let's let's remove this. I'm not sure what is. Why is it insert a new character? But, yeah, same happened over here. Okay. Well, this can be reduced to one line. Or in here, I will have to. Uh, let me see if I can do that right now. I will open. I will remove this. Okay, I was about to remove the document. Okay, let us get rid of this. Mm, yeah, let us open the office, LibreOffice, because I'm not just talking Microsoft Word because it's the online edition. Uh, in here there was a problem. Well, I don't even remember from in our previous video. Yeah, here I decided to go with LibreOffice, and now we are seeing beautiful behavior of these new lines getting inserted. I don't see yeah, there is no, probably a new line gets inserted automatically here. Shouldn't be. I didn't press enter. Well, let's focus on this with the, let's instead have essential, have this inverted slash and hit enter and have our thing uh, configured this way. But still, there will be a thing. Okay, now let's export this file. Export. Because we are just moving the recently exported document to downloads. Where is it? Where is our big name? What happened? Oh, can that? Okay, something wrong in here. It seems like it didn't create the document. Oh, it's like XML. Okay, to remove everything related to XML. And I'm not sure what happened. Maybe I closed the program while the export has been made. Here it's a XML. So look at this. It is export as PDF. Okay, export. Now I can close this. I can move the file. I can go to the folder and here it is. Hello. I'm going to fit visible content. No. Okay, now I should be doing live coding sessions instead, but I want to set this as, to support this channel. So probably in the future, near future. So I'm going to copy and paste this. Control C, here it is. And it enters this line. Where is this? There is this. Okay, so a new line gets in the way. Let's hit enter. Okay, so uh, you can live with that. Should be this here. The user will be doing this quickly. Mm, I was thinking to demo this new draft as Control C, going to the terminal, Control V, Control C, Control V. But now we will have a lot of, especially here, we have a lot of dependencies. Okay, everything got got installed. Like we'll be using a lot of slashes, inverted slashes. Let's copy paste this as is and see what happens without the inverted slashes. Okay, enter. Okay, we can do that too. I mean, the user will be like, okay, I don't want to read this. I just want to copy paste the space. Uh, Now let's copy and paste this, which was problematic in the previous video. Okay, everything got installed. We don't have anything in here, so copy paste this. And here you can, this thing is not about copy and pasting, so you change the number is the instruction, and you get the number from the website. I already get it memorized. All right, this time, no problem, which is what I wanted to fix. But now, this was cool, and here there are some new lines inserted. Uh, but if you are in the haste of the moment, if that's a correct English phrase, I extracted from a song from the Smiths. In the haste of a drunken hour. Okay, but I say in the haste of. I don't know. I don't know what I mean. Okay, so ls. This is uh, you can copy paste. Let's copy paste. You have to change the name. So this will be very cheap because who wants to do this? All right. I think a script is a better idea. Here's the script, just run it. It will download everything and change directory to the recently extracted file. No, okay, I say copy paste. People are in a hurry. Okay, so if we expect that. All right, you take note of this thing, which is here. If you, I mean, this is Ubuntu. It should be the same, but in remote case, it is not the case. You put the output from this command over here. I'm going to copy paste this. All right, a lot of things that we don't understand. People don't care. Some people do. And it is configuring our installation script. Then we have this nproc command, and it depends of the number of available cores. It will be fast or slow. So this will be the, oh my God, 20 minutes. I was thinking in 5 minutes. I can't believe that this. I will exercise again this stuff. Once the, since it worked. I will complete the draft and exercise the thing. It still will take time because the the output like this when we but this is the like the bottleneck, not bottleneck. But, okay, thank you for using PHP, and we get our number of cores. You have problem with your having a like a light in front of your face. You can change to a darker background, not like this. Let's look at the contrast. Uh, Now what? Yeah, clear. Okay, proc two for us. Make this will take time. I think again I my intention was to stop the video at this point because this take like quite a while, especially install. And it doesn't make sense to install because I am going to exercise again now with the entire document. I'm not sure how many attempts will take us to now. Okay, but now it was easier than the previous video that was like 1 hour. Now we have reduced to 25 minutes. Yeah, but I was thinking on 10 minutes at most. 15 minutes given this processes. Okay, in here you are going to make install and I don't know if I want to sell it. I will sell it because but there will be a kind of free version. Yeah, that's it for today. I probably should put some uh, gravel at the beginning of that, but this is a draft video for historical, some sort of record of the process involved in creating this. Because I am kind of thinking of having a commercial at the end, some music, some promotion video, like the one for the new T-shirt. If you haven't seen it, I don't know. Yeah, it's quite a lot. So it should be about copy and pasting without you having to read of this, and in the future, okay, here's the script. You could avoid all of this by running this script or this Docker image. Uh, yeah, first the script because PHP doesn't have a unit stop task, and it will be a good idea to create to contribute a unit style section, but it should work for various distributions of Linux or Linux. Uh, I don't know. It's quite a journey. Yeah. So I don't know. Thank you very much. For, I don't know what can you get from this video, but thank you. Bye.